Hi everybody, Greg Luczak with the Luczak Group at Keller Williams Client's Choice, bringing you another fantastic home listing tour. The property that we're at today is 4598 Wordsworth Circle North. This is a fantastic location with easy access to the Amazon facility, the Colorado Springs Airport, and a quick shot to downtown as well. What makes this home so unique and so rare is not the beautiful remodel inside, but to me, it's that awesome lot that it sits on. You've got a huge lot that sits on the corner, and it's nearly 10,500 total square feet. So you've got one of the bigger lots in the neighborhood, and again, it's a corner lot, so you've got access on the side with RV, boat, or fun toy parking. You've also got a beautiful big backyard that's fully fenced with that beautiful new wood fence that makes for a great outdoor garden. You've got raised garden beds already installed, a separate storage shed, and the home itself has been beautifully updated. Look at the beautiful stain on those wood shutters. Check out the huge 2-car garage. And again, the home is nearly 1,400 total square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Let's take a look inside. This home has been beautifully remodeled. When you enter, that is evident. You can see the entire main level has been totally opened up, and this beautiful luxury vinyl tile has been laid throughout the main level. You can see updated lighting with that beautiful new ceiling fan in the formal living room space. You can see that beautiful new kitchen island with the oversized butcher block countertop. And you can see those updated kitchen cabinets as well. Check out that beautiful backsplash. And for all of our home cooks, check out that awesome gas range. One of the really cool features about this home is that all of the windows have been updated with a very high-end window. You've got a newer roof, and so the mechanics of this home are in fantastic shape. As we go up from that main level, you've got 2 spacious bedrooms on the upper level. You can see that beautiful newer carpet. Both have large walk-in closets. The bedroom on the left, I think, is the master suite, as the walk-in closet is a little bit bigger. The closet system is a little bit more substantial. You can see you've got really tall ceilings, an updated ceiling fan, and what I love about it, you've got those beautiful big windows that overlook that huge backyard. The second bedroom on the upper level is big as well. You can see beautiful contemporary paint colors everywhere, and this one's got a view back towards Pikes Peak. You've got a nicely updated full bathroom on the upper level as well. That includes that beautiful luxury vinyl flooring, an updated vanity, and look at the beautiful tile around that tub shower combo. One of the cool things about this floor plan is that there's not a lot of square footage wasted on hallway space. Check out how open the formal living room is to the family room space. That family room features a beautiful brick wood-burning fireplace, garden level windows that give you plenty of natural light, plenty of space for any type of furniture setup you want here. And there's the home's 3rd bedroom on this lower level as well. There's also a laundry space as well as a half bathroom, also on this lower level. As you can see, everything has beautiful contemporary colors and is so well kept. Thank you so much for checking out this beautiful home listing. For more information, you can always visit our website at www.makespringshome.com, or for a personal tour, you can always give me a call at 719-271-8888. And again, for our realtor friends, we are offering 2.5% broker compensation for anybody who brings us a buyer. So let's do a deal. For everybody else, thanks so much for checking it out. We'll see you on the next one.